Welcome to my level walkthrough, which uses light to assist gameplay. In my level you can use abilities to drain electricity from certain items and add it to other things, which I'll showcase now. You start here at the front of the level and you must stay within the light. If you go outside the light your health will drain, and when it gets to 0 you'll die. So from here we've got to make it to the front door by staying in the light. So from here we can run here. We can stay in the dark for a little bit, but when it gets to 0 we'll die. So this car will produce light from its headlights, but it would need 3 electricity to turn on. So these lights are made up of 2 electricity, so I can drain 2 from that, and there's 1 left in this lamppost, so I can drain 1 from that. And now I have 3, which I can add to the car. And now from here I can go to there without worry of dying, and then from here I can make to the front door, which is another safe zone. These orange lights are flames which can't be turned on or off by the player, but they provide a safety from the darkness. So from here the player will come in here to the main foyer, which is lit by this chandelier. This whole room is well lit, so the player will not lose health when they're in this room. And also this door locks behind you, so the player must find another way out to escape. The main mission of this game of this level is to rescue your brother who's been held up in the attic. So the player must get enough electricity to turn this on to unlock the elevator to go up and rescue him. So to do that the player must explore the mansion for electricity. The player will come to here. They must stay in the light in these circles to stay safe. This door will lock behind us, forcing the player to come and do this route. The next step will be to turn on this light to make it round that corner, so we can drain that light on and put it in here. So now we can move here, and here is a flame on the left hand side, and here are some enemies on the right hand side. The easiest way to avoid these is just to try and keep your distance, to try and hug the opposite wall. If you get close to them it'll drain your health immediately and you'll die. So you just got to try and get through. But what will happen is they'll blow out the flame and you're forced to run to the nearest light. And then from here we have to turn on this light to progress. So we'll drain the electricity from here that we used before, and we'll add it to here. And then from here we can move on to this light here. Then when we get in here this door will lock and we can't get through there anymore. And we get through to the diner in here, and as we come in through here and we walk here, the window will burst open, blowing out the flames and force the player to come to this bit of light here. Otherwise if you stay in the dark you'll die. So here we have a socket which is powering this entertainment system, and the player can use this to refill their entire electricity bar, which they can use in the main foyer. So from here we make our way back. We can turn on this with our new electricity, and then we can get it back from here, and then back into the main foyer with our full electricity, and we can fully power this, which opens that door and lets us come into here. And now this elevator will take us up to the attic where we can rescue our brother. And you're safe in the elevator because there's a light in here, so from here you'd have to make it to another light, which is this lamp just here. So just run out to here, make sure you do it quick enough so you don't die. And then this socket has some spare electricity, so we can take that and we can add it to this. And then we take electricity from that lamp and we add it to this. Ooh, I missed. And then we can reuse this later, so we'll take this back. Heal up. Move on to this natural light source. And then we'll take this back as well. And as we come here to this light, this flame, we can rescue our brother, and then he'd follow us out for the rest of this. And because we went back and got that electricity, we have 2 left, and this has 2 left to fill. Then this turns on this light, which means we have enough to make it here. And then from here we jump down here into the pool. The pool lights will keep us alive in there. And then we come here. And then this is the final stretch down to the boat to escape. And these lights will all turn off behind us, so you have to keep running. If you stop running, you'll fall behind and your health will drain and you'll die. So you have to keep running and make sure you keep hitting the lights all the way down. Just keep running, and then we make it to the boat. And the boat will take off and we'll heal from this light here. And that's using light to assist gameplay in UE4.